Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. So this last weekend, I actually lost one of my TiPi poles. And I don't mean I lost it as in it's missing. I mean it broke. The tip of it broke, and I did a field repair, but it is just not good enough. It needs to have a real repair. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to repair a broken TiPi pole. Well, here it is in all of its brokenness. I actually did, like I said, a repair in the field. All I had was some JB weld, and I found a stick, I believe it was alder, but it is just not holding up because, well, JB weld ain't really what you're supposed to use for this. The very first thing you want to do is get the two parts apart. If it comes apart pretty easily, just go ahead and pull it apart like I just did. It was very brittle, so it just kind of came apart pretty easy. If it won't come apart, go ahead and cut it with the chop saw. Here you can see how weak that area in the pole actually was. It had 3 or 4 knots right around it, ringed in a circle, and that's what made that critically weak. Next, you'll need 3/4 inch dowel. This is hardwood and it is oak. So very, very strong wood, and a 3/4 inch drill bit. All right, now I gotta cut this dowel to length. That should work. Now here's the important part, the proper glue. I like this Gorilla Glue because it's expanding, and this top here is kind of cracked anyway, so I'm hoping that I can salvage it. So I'm gonna slather a whole bunch of this on this dowel, jam this dowel in there, and then mount it to the pole after slathering the other side. If the end is split, cracked, and brittle like mine is, go ahead and clamp it together and just add some glue. The glue will expand out through those cracks and help seal it back up, making it very strong. Once the upper part of the pole is complete, add a liberal amount of glue to the dowel and then push it into the bottom pole. You might have to turn the pole to get it to slide in a little easier. Once it is in, align the outside of the pole in case you have one side that's a little bit wider than the other so that the pole generally matches up. One last time, check for alignment of the pole to ensure that it's straight, and also check where the cut was made to ensure that those parts are at least close enough so that you can easily sand off any imperfections. So I lean the pole up against the building so that any kind of drippage would go down into the cracks. Ensure the glue is firmly set and is cured. Sand the glue off, the excess glue, and the joint to make it smooth, and I use this 4.5 inch angle grinder with a flapper disc. So this is a sanding disc. And there you have it. I hope to get several more years of service out of this TiPi pole. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Once again, thanks for choosing this channel. I know you have a whole bunch of other stuff that you could be watching, so I really appreciate you watching this. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson, signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.